So today I spend all of my day here on the couch in the living room feeling sick, and I was wondering about how to be happy and about happiness. My father was always telling me about the way to be happy is to love your family, to have friends and family around, and to do what you love. Actually, he was mostly telling me to love what you do. So I now, at my 40s, almost my 40s, I realize that yes, you need to have people that you love. This is key. You need to have your health because without health, there is nothing, no energy for you to be happy anyway. And professionally is to do what you love, not love what you do. And let me explain. If you love what you do, sometimes it can be interpreted from the side of you start doing something and you wait to fall in love with it. But it is better, instead of doing that, to actually l- do what you already love. Now, the question was for me, okay, what do I love? For many, many years, especially when I was younger, and even up until 6, 7 years ago, I wasn't very sure about what I am in love, what I love doing. So it takes trial and error, it takes internal discussions, it takes oh, for you to be observing your habits and really what you are doing when you are not feeling okay. What are the actions or things you are falling to make yourself feel better? Now, I don't have the formula yet, but I think that even, especially in a day like this, that I feel very miserable health-wise, I see my little boy playing with his puzzle. I have my partner who is equally sick as well, and I still feel happy because I know that in a few days I will feel better and I will be with people I love. Yes, I miss my family. Yes, I miss my friends. 99% of them are in Greece, but at the end of the day, I will go back to something that I love doing, which cheers me up already. And if nothing else, if we arrive to an older age, not in our 20s or our teens, which is very, very young to know this kind of deeper meanings, is when we grow older, we need to grow closer with people that makes us happy, with habits that make us happy, and spend most of our waking day celebrating our relationships and celebrating our job, our work too. And I'm saying that because I spent a lot of time in places that I didn't really fully enjoy what I was doing, and that can make a man miserable, even if he's healthy, even if he has loving people around him or her. You need to be spending your waking hours with people and with things that make you happy, that you are in love and you love. Otherwise, it is just such a waste. I don't think even after this video I will be able to move and go anywhere else rather than my bed. I'm reluctant to move because this is so comfortable, and every time I try to get up I kind of feel dizzy. So that was today's message about how to be happy. Think what makes you happy, think who makes you happy, and do more. That's it. And with that being said, I will see you tomorrow, hopefully on a healthier state. Bye bye.